Hello, my dear students. How are you all? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am going to explain Class 8 Science, Chapter 6. The name of the chapter is Combustion, Flame and Fuel. And I am going to explain second part of this chapter. Okay, and in this video, I will explain about type of combustion and flame and its structure. Okay, and about fuel. So first we will discuss about types of combustion. How many types of combustion? Combustion may be classified into two types on the basis of extent on combustion, complete combustion and incomplete combustion, and on the basis of manner of combustion. Combustion are three types: rapid combustion, spontaneous combustion and explosion combustion. Okay, so first we will discuss about what is on the basis of extent of combustion. First is complete combustion. Which type of combustion is known as complete combustion? Complete combustion occurs when combustible substance burns completely without leaving any residue in the presence of sufficient oxygen. Okay, and incomplete combustion occurs when elements do not burn completely and produce ants and smoke along with their oxides. They burn with wide dazzling flame, smoke and ants. Okay, and after that, now we will discuss about second on the basis of manner of combustion. First is spontaneous combustion. What is spontaneous combustion? Combustion is which a material suddenly into flame without the application on any cause is called spontaneous combustion. For example of spontaneous combustion are phosphorus. Okay, and white phosphorus is kept in water because it catch fire at 25 degrees centigrade, and sodium is kept in kerosene because it catch fire in open. Okay, and after that, what is rapid combustion? This type of combustion is known as rapid combustion. This type of combustion, a large amount of heat and light is involved in short time. इस टाइप की combustion में क्या होता है कि मतलब short time में बहुत ही कम, जैसे कि अगर हम मैच स्टिक को अगर वो करते रब करते तो वो तुरंत ही जल जाता है. ठीक है. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ कम्बस्टन इज नोन एज रैपिड कम्बस्टन. लाइक एलपीजी, जब भी हम गैस जलाने जाते हैं किचन में तो क्या करते हैं, बस एक हम लाइटर मारते हैं और तुरंत बहुत अधिक मात्रा में हमें गैस मिल जाती है. तो दिस टाइप ऑफ कम्बस्टन इज नोन एज रैपिड कम्बस्टन. ओके, एंड लास्ट इज explosion combustion. This type of combustion is known as explosion combustion. Crackers amount of gas formed in called explosion. Like an explosion occur when ignite a cracker or we apply pressure on a cracker. Okay, and a sudden reaction take place with the evolution of heat, light and sound. Okay, a large amount of gas formed in the reaction is liberated. Okay, and this type of combustion is known as explosion combustion, like crackers. ठीक है. Okay, after that, next topic is about flame and its structure. Flame, everything that burns does not produce a flame. Only substance that vaporize during burning gave flame. Okay, kerosene rise up through the wick of a stove and vaporize during burning and burns with a flame. Okay, and second is when candle burns, wax vaporizes on the heating and burns with a flame. Okay, and third is charcoal does not vaporize and burn without a flame, producing a glow. Okay, and the next is what is candle flame? Candle flame is a central space and has different color in different regions. The flame has three main zones depending on the amount of air it's received. Flame के 3 मेन जोन होते हैं जो एयर के फ्लो पे मतलब हवा के चलने पे डिपेंड करते हैं. These zones are the different colors. First is known as dark zone, second is luminous zone, and third is non-luminous zone. So which type of zone is known as dark zone? It is no combustion zone, least hot. It covers the area surrounding the wick containing unbrushed vapor produced by the melting of wax. It is the innermost zone and vapors of wax do not come in contact with oxygen. Okay, and next second one is luminous zone. This type of zone is known as luminous zone. It is the zone of incomplete combustion. Supply of O2 in inadequate, so wax vapor do not burn completely. It leaves a particular stored. Carbon particles grow emitting a yellow light. It is the middle zone of the flame. Luminous zone is known as the middle zone of the flame. जो yellow light दिखती है हमें वो middle zone कहलाती है. After that non-luminous zone, complete combustion takes place in this zone. It is the hottest part of the candle flame. ये क्या होता है? जो non-luminous object होता है, zone होता है, वो hottest सबसे hottest part होता है किसका? Candle flame का. Okay, after that your last topic is fuels. About fuel, a fuel is a substance that can burn in presence of air to give out large amount of heat and energy. And food is the fuel for our body. Food जो है एक तरह से food हमारी body का क्या है? Fuel है. It gives us energy to do the work. Extra energy stored in our body and can be utilized whenever needed. Okay, fuels may be solid, liquid और gas. जो भी fuels होते हैं वो solid हो सकते हैं like wood, coal, etc. Liquid में fuels को हम use करते हैं petrol, kerosene, diesel, oil, etc. And gas, LPG, CNG, water gas, producer gas, etc. These all are fuels. Okay, and what are the characteristics of an ideal fuel? Easy to store and save the transport. ठीक है, फर्स्ट ये. सेकेंड, शुड नॉट बी एक्सपेंसिव. कभी भी ये एक्सपेंसिव बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सपेंसिव महंगा नहीं होना चाहिए. रेडली वैल्यूएबल एंड शुड नॉट प्रोड्यूस हार्मफुल गैसेस एंड, और कभी भी ऐसे फ्यूल्स का नहीं यूज़ करना चाहिए जिससे बहुत ज़्यादा खतरनाक मतलब हार्मफुल गैसेस प्रोड्यूस हों. शुड बर्न सेफली, हमेशा इसे सेफली जलाना चाहिए. Ignition temperature should be above the room temperature and हमेशा should be readily combustible. Should have high should produce large amount of heat per unit mass. Okay, there is probably no fuels that could be considered as an ideal fuel. Some fuels are costly like LPG, petrol, and while some other are cheaper. और कुछ क्या होते हैं? सस्ते होते हैं. Okay, so students, my all topic of this lesson is completed and hope you all are understood. Bye students.